Hey, I don't know. Hey, that's why I don't like wiring, man. That's why I don't like wiring. I said, hey, yo, this your boy Tulu, man, back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Hey, man, good stuff, good stuff. Hey, I hope you are accomplishing everything that, you know, you are seeking to accomplish or gaining what you're seeking to gain. You know what I'm saying? Keep on going, keep doing your thing. But if everything ain't going right for you right now, if life just ain't going your way, just all type of stuff going on in life right now, just wait, man. 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, maybe next week, hey, maybe next year, you could definitely be in a better situation. So, man, hey, chin up, keep trucking, man. Hey, whew, it's cold out these doors, G. It's cold out these doors, for real. But guess what? I know y'all probably hear that little thing in the background humming, G. Hey, boy, we got the heat in the old school, boy. Huh? Little fan, hey, little heater keeping it warm in here for your boy right now, G. Jeez, for real. Hey, but nah, that ain't what we here for today, man. So, today I was pretty much finishing up everything for like the console and all, and pretty much what I wanted to do before I actually pushed it all the way back up in there was go ahead and hook up our new vintage little Bluetooth radio, man. I do have to wait on my to get here, bracket to get here, but I did want to go ahead and at least hook it up, get it installed. We'll get all the wires ran for that, so at least I can go ahead and close this up, and then, you know, we can get to that when we get to that. Another thing I need to do is I got another set of these DS18s, the 3.5s, same ones that's in the console, and I gotta throw them up here. So that's what we doing today, G. So hold on to your socks. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to all, and hey, make sure you leave a comment. Let me know that you tapped in with your boy, man. All right, man, let me set y'all up and let's go ahead and get to it. Chat. Oh, man, dang. These pieces is, not unless we're missing something here. Dang, we probably have to upgrade those. I'm gonna try to see what went in those, man. All right, so, dang, that's messed up. I thought they fit for real. All right, man, let's get these wires pulled in here, and then we'll get to hooking this radio up, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so radio does come with its harness. Should be pretty straightforward, but y'all know how it get over here, man. Dude, I done lost the doggone. And it comes with 2 of them, one for the speakers and one for the power, which has the 4 wires. Your yellow, which is the constant 12 volt, your blue, which is the remote, which I'm not doing an amp right now. We're gonna get to that though. We're gonna talk about that. Black for the ground, and then red for your 12 volt key on source. Now luckily my uncle decided that I guess when he had the car back then, and I never really paid attention to it because I thought the other harness piece was in there, right? But evidently he already took the pleasure of cutting the wires to add them in there. Now this thing right here, right, I truly don't know, but it's so different that it says on all of the other diagrams, like on YouTube and everything, it says that your yellow is supposed to be your constant, your red is supposed to be your 12-volt key-on source, right? All right, but I checked this because I was like, man, what in the world, you know, where the wires are. So I checked this, and I thought this was a red wire that was just faded, but it's not. All right, so this yellow, when I went to go check it, it would only, you know, turn my little probe light here, wherever I have it at. Anyway, it would only turn that on once I switched the key on, right? And so I looked at this orange wire, and it turns out that this orange is my 12-volt constant, and the yellow is the key on. Hey, I don't know. Hey, that's why I don't like wiring, man. That's why I don't like wiring. But luckily I was able to troubleshoot and figure it out. All right, man, let's get to hooking these wires up, man. Let's get it, man. Make sure y'all have the power off too, man, when y'all doing this stuff, man. Let's go. We're gonna start over here. All right, man, so we got that part done for the power. Lord, come on, camera. So we got everything but connected up. No, I gotta run it up through the back there. So let's go ahead and get all the speakers hooked up. Now I might have to use my little handy dandy other butt connectors that I just had a few minutes ago. These ones right here, man, this is pretty cool, man. But yeah, I think I'm gonna use these right here because I got 4 speakers I need to hook up, and they're only for the front. Still waiting on my 6x9s to come in for the back. We're gonna talk about that though. We're gonna talk about that. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and get the pigtail for the speakers here hooked up. Let's get it. Lord, man, I got cut and I don't even know where I'm bleeding from. Hey, it's Charlie Mike though. All right, man, so we got everything hooked up pretty much. I'm gonna try to turn on some light here. All right, so we got everything hooked up. Got our stuff, well, besides the remote wire, like I said. Got our speaker wires in here. We don't have the rear speakers hooked up right now. All right, so let's just try to hook the radio up and throw some power to it, man. Let's get it. Damn. All right, man. Let me walk out here, hook some power up to it, because I did not have the battery hooked up. Ay. Well, it will work if I pop the hood. Alright, I don't see no power, nothing coming on. Yeah, don't see nothing on it. Oh, sucky. Alright, let me see what the heck we got going on here. Alright, so I guess we got to go through the little programming mode and all. So, hold on, let me go through the little programming mode. So, let me do that and then I'll bring y'all back, man. Alright, y'all, so I had to redo me a ground, man. I had to redo me a ground, so let's try it now. Alright, well, I ain't worried about setting no clock. Let's turn it. Alright, boom. Oh, snap! Hey, we got noise. Alright, we just gonna go straight over to Bluetooth mode. Let's see. Hold on, I gotta get to it. See if it's gonna connect. Come on, man. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. What? Oh, I think I found it. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, snap. Hey, I think we good. Hold on. Let me go to, let me see something, y'all. Hold on. Let me see something. See if it's gonna work. No, it ain't playing. Hold on, what I do? Oh, it is playing. Official sponsor. Hey.
Yes, sir. JP made business. You already know who it is.
Hey.
One more game.
Yeah. We got some noise in the car. This one working?
You just want to ride. Monday, Tuesday.
That one over there working?
Thursday, Friday.
That one working?
Yeah, but all you want to do is just ride.
Talk to him, 84.
You feel me? Put your hands in the air.
Hey. Yes, sir.
You want to do is just ride.
Hey, man. Well, shoot, like I said, I'm waiting on some other stuff to come in, man. We definitely got to go ahead and clean up some wires and everything now. I definitely needed this wind right here, man. For real. Whew, like I needed it. But yeah, we got some stuff coming in. Like I was telling y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and talk to y'all about the other audio stuff we're gonna be doing in here on the next video, man. But until next time, like I say, hey, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn your notification bell on to all so you'll get the drop whenever I drop a video. Man, appreciate each and every single one of y'all for real, for pulling up, taking the time out your day. And let me say something else, man. If everything ain't going right for you right now, listen, keep your head up, keep trucking. And if you see somebody out here on their grind, on their thing, doing what they supposed to be doing, don't hate on it. Just wait on it, man. Let's get it.